Hi, my name is Mike. Welcome to my RC Construction Projects channel. Welcome back if you've been here before. I have not put out a video, so this quick video is going to be kind of an update on the work that I'm doing on the project. I've been really busy with other things other than a hobby, and also my hobby time has been dedicated toward a lot of maintenance, attempted upgrades on my equipment. Right now I have one of my dump trucks is down, and I really have been searching for a what I had hoped would be a better pump for this Cavalite 336. I've been working on number one. I've had a couple of stronger ones I put in there, and they just didn't quite work out right. It might have been the electronics, I'm not sure. So I wound up putting the last one back in there. And then I made some changes before I would wire the output from the overflow into the output from the valve block, and it worked really good. But when I put one of these stronger pumps in there, I had to install a nipple on my hydraulic tank so I could run a overflow line directly to the tank. I found out that by doing that and cutting out my Y when I went back to the other pump, that I lost power. And I was losing power because the oil going in overflow is not going to the actual working of the machine as far as the boom and stick in the bucket. So right now the challenge is to go back to that system. So I crimped the wire, or I crimped the hose that I was using on overflow, and now I have to make sure I find the right balance so that I can maximize the use of the pump without putting unnecessary wear and tear on it. And I'm also going to be using my Top Race 211, which is the Queen of 1580/580, to continue to excavate over here on the side of this wall so that I can push that bow in. And I'll be using my loader to dress my piles, and the other 336 also to help configure the piles of dirt. So this is just a quick one to let everybody know I'm still at it, and it's also an opportunity for me to test the new equipment and the changes that I've made. And we'll see what happens. Another, I'll just call it a setback I had on this upgrade is that something happened with the electronics to my digital display, so I'm going to have to replace that. And I thought I would test it out first on this loose dirt to see how it handles with the loose soil, and if I have no problems here, I'll get it back into digging mode. But right now, so far, it looks pretty good. And I've got to get used to get the handle back on my equipment. Everything feels a little bit different. It just doesn't seem like it's been that long, but sometimes it feels like forever since I actually was getting into some digging, some operating. I redid the motor on top of the Slew gear, put in another one. I reworked the spindle. The unit fell off of a brick, and it just had everything kind of discombobulated. So I filed down another drone motor and put in there to control the slew. And it seems to be working fairly well. Also, I lost the use of one of my dump trucks because the transmitter just wasn't working right. So I ordered another transmitter, and I'll be looking at getting better dump trucks than these. I'm not satisfied with these on difficult terrain especially. And since I've had these dump trucks, I put them through a lot. They're not quite as sturdy as I'd like them to be, but I'm sure they're not designed to go through all I put them through. For some reason, both trucks seem to have trouble turning as sharply to the right as to the left, and the turn radius is not good, period. So if anyone has some suggestions on how to correct that, please leave it in the comments. Please like and subscribe. I will reciprocate with your channel if you do. Okay, that's it for now. I just wanted to get a little something out to show that I'm still involved and still active and still loving this hobby. God bless you, everybody. Have great holidays, and hopefully I'll get something else out really soon. Make some progress in cleaning up some of the mess and correcting and constructing and getting back on this great project. Happy holidays, happy digging. Take care.